Welcome back to the channel. I'm Ellie, your local licensed HVAC contractor. Today we're diving into a topic that can save you a lot of money and frustration: HVAC scams. Whether you're a homeowner or a business owner, it is crucial to know the red flags to avoid so you don't fall victim to these tricks. With that being said, let's get started. First up, unsolicited offers. Have you ever received a knock on the door from a supposed HVAC technician claiming they noticed an issue with your system? Often these individuals aren't even certified and can pressure you into getting unnecessary repairs. Always verify credentials and get multiple quotes. Watch out for lowball estimates. If an HVAC technician offers you a price that seems too good to be true, it probably is. Scammers lure you in with lowball initial costs, but often add hidden fees later or perform subpar work that leads to further expenses. Always read the fine print. Number 3, fake maintenance plans. Beware of fake maintenance plans. Some companies will offer special discounts for maintenance contracts that promise regular checkups. However, these may be unnecessary or overpriced. Make sure that the plan covers real essential services and shop around for legitimate options. Number 4, pressure tactics. Scam artists often use pressure tactics. They might tell you that your system is about to fail unless you act immediately or suggest a promotion is about to end. Remember, it's your home and it's your decision. Take the time to research and consider your options. Number 5, phantom repairs involve technicians claiming that they made repairs that were never actually done. They might charge you for parts or labor that don't even exist. Always ask for a detailed invoice and consider getting a second opinion if you suspect something feels off. Number 6, unlicensed contractors. Lastly, hiring unlicensed contractors can lead to disaster. Always check for proper licenses, insurance, and certifications before hiring anyone. Unlicensed workers may not follow regulations, leaving you liable for any accidents or issues that arise. So let's do a little bit of a recap. We have to watch out for unsolicited offers, lowball estimates, fake maintenance plans, pressure tactics, and phantom repairs from unsolicited contractors. Educating yourself is the best defense against these scams. Guys, my name is Ellie, your local licensed contractor. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments below. Stay informed and protect your home from all these scams. Until next time, we'll see you later.